would your dog react if you fainted?
Say hi. Say hi, husky homies. Hi, husky homies. Good boy. What up, husky homies? Welcome back to another video. I'm Joey and this is Steel the Husky. And he's looking mighty enthusiastic for this video. So today we're gonna put Steel to the test and see what he does if I faint or have a seizure or have a heart attack. So there was this one time actually when I was rollerblading and he took off after another dog and I totally just went and ate it. And he actually came back to me to check on me and see if I was okay because I was actually like injured. Now dogs can probably sense when something's actually wrong, but we're just gonna put this to the test and see what happens. Let's see what he cares about more, this chicken or me passing out. Oh, good boy! Yeah, there you go, the chicken. I did not expect that. I thought he'd go right for the chicken. He actually licked my face. Alright, we're on a walk now, so let's see if Steel cares if I faint while we're on a walk. Good boy! So there you have it. I think Steel definitely gets like an A+ for that one. If there was actually something wrong, or maybe if my acting was better, he may have like howled or something. But I've seen other videos where other dogs just like walk off when the owner faints.
And going and going. Thanks for all those walks. Catch you later.
I was also super surprised because he loves those deli slices of chicken more than anything. So the fact that he didn't go right for those is like totally amazing, and he just licked my face instead to make sure I was okay. So A+ for that one, buddy. Give me some paw. Yeah. So there's actually one point where he like barked, which is like pretty awesome, huh, buddy? He acts like he doesn't care about me, but I think he does. I got you good. Here you go. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Posting videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you smash the like button for him for being a good pup. And see you next time.
Peace, husky homies.